Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slow down a video on TikTok. So if you want to create a slow motion video on your TikTok, there are a few methods that you can do, and I'm going to show you through this video. So let's just start by click on the plus icon at the bottom, and in here, before you record your video, here you can see on the right panel there will be the speed options, and here is the options. If you want to make a slow motion video or you want to slow down your video, you can choose to reduce the speed, for example, to 0.3 times. So when you record a video, you can click on the check icon, so it will turn into a slow motion video just like this. So that's how you can uh, create a slow down video directly. But if you want to add a slow motion video, you can also do so. Let's just start over. I'm going to record a new video in here. Okay, just like this. And now you can just head to effect on the right panel. In here there will be this like sparkle effect, sparkle icon. When you click on that, it will go to the TikTok effects. Then you can just swipe through the category in here and find the time options, and you'll easily spot the slow-mo option. So when you tap on that, it will create your video into a slow motion video. You can see it will move slowly just like that. Okay, and the next method, you can just go back first. Here I'm going to get rid of the effect first, and now if you want to slow down a video, you can also do this. Click on this edit option at the right panel, and you'll see the TikTok video editor in here. So what you need to do is just click on the video on the timeline, and you'll find the speed options. Here you can just swipe the circle to the left to slow down your video, just like this. So that's how you can slow down a video on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.